Dear students, how are you all? Today we are going to start chapter number first for class 10th, where the book is Computer Application, where the writer is Sumita Arora. So let's open the index of this book, where you can see what topics and chapters are here that we have to study in this session. So main units or topics are here. First is networking, second is HTML, third is cyber ethics, fourth is Scratch, Python theory, and fifth is practical. So means that I am just writing here first one, what we have to do study in this, that is network or networking. Right here, networking, this is networking. Second, what we have to do, HTML, we have to do the study about the HTML. And the third is right here, cyber ethics. Fourth is, that is Scratch and Python. These are four topics that we will do study in this session. First will be networking, second will be HTML, and third will be cyber ethics, and fourth will be Scratch or Python. Where networking is a technology where we use the networking for our communication purposes. Next is HTML. This is hypertext markup language. This type of language actually is used to create web pages. And next is cyber ethics, when we are working onto the internet and what we should do at that time and what rules we have to follow when we are working with the internet. So that will come under the cyber ethics. And next will be Scratch, where Scratch is a type of software that helps to create animation softwares or animated videos in the PC. And next will be Python, where Python is a type of computer language. It's a type of computer language. This language we have to do a study in this session. We have done the discussion about this Python at last year also, and in next year in 11th class we will also do the discussion for Python language. So today we will start from the first unit, which is networking. So let's discuss about the networking process. So now we are coming to the first chapter of this book, that is Internet Basics. As you can see in this book, this is the Internet Basics chapter number first, that coming under the first unit, which is networking. So in this chapter, the first topic that will start from the term internet. So we have to discuss about the term internet. Before doing the discussion about the internet, we should know about the two other terms, that is intranet, and next one is also, that is network. When we will do the study about these three terms, when we are understood easily about these terms, at that time we will be very comfortable to understanding about the networking or internet process or internet. So here, if you talk about the network, firstly if I am talking about the network term here, so what is actually a network? Network is generally a circle or a particular area. Many electronic devices are being connected to each other. For example, I am making a computer system here. This is first computer, this is second computer, this is third computer, and this is fourth computer. Let's consider as there are four systems, mobile phones or any electronic devices, and these are connected with each other. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one, and this is fourth one. When these four systems are connected to each other, how are connected to each other? It's a different matter. Methods are different to connecting different devices, but when these are connected to each other, so this is generally known as a network of four computers, where four computers 1 2 3 4 are connected to each other. So this is a particular network. So any name we can give these type of network for this network. So in this section, what happens onto the network? Actually, when we are creating a network, so in this network, how many electronic devices or systems are connected, that will be very easy to transfer or retrieving the file from one system to another easily and very comfortably. How? Let's assume this is the first number system, this is the second number system. When these are connected with this particular cable, and if we want to transfer audio files, video files, or anything, any files, PDF files, any type of data or information that we want to transfer from one system to another, we have to connect these two systems with a cable. And when these will be connected, so when we will do send, when we click on to send option from the first PC, that data or file will be transferred easily through this particular cable to another system. So these are the networks that are very helpful to transferring the file among these systems. Okay, so now we are coming to the next term, that is intranet. Not for internet, we are coming for the intranet term right now. So I think now network term is completed and it's very clear to you all, where network means when multiple electronic devices are being connected to each other. So whole area where these systems are connected or electronic devices are connected is called a network. Now we are coming to the intranet term, where intra, we can separate both of these two words. First is intra, second is net. Intra means similar. We can write here a particular word that is similar, and net means it's a network. So means when we are talking about similar networks, then at that time that whole network will be called as intranet. So let assume I am making again same diagram. First PC, first number PC, this is second number PC, this is third number PC, same as this is PC number 4. So I am having here 4 PCs, and these 4 PCs are, or we can say that these 4 mobiles are smartphones. I am making these, writing here smartphones. These are 4 smartphones which are connected with a particular network. I am right here Idea network. This is the cellular network of Idea, where 4 mobiles are connected with this particular Idea network. So what is our network here actually, that we have discussed before? Network, what is our network here? Here is a network of Idea where 4 smartphones are connected with the Idea network. So this is a particular network. This is a network. But when we say smartphone number 1, smartphone number 2, smartphone number 3, smartphone number 4, these all smartphones are connected with only one network, that is here Idea. So these system will be called as, these all smartphones or computers are connected with intranet. This type of network will be called as here intranet. When multiple systems or electronic devices are connected to only one network, at that time this is called intranet. Means only one network, there is no any another network except Idea, not here any Airtel, not here any Jio. So this is a particular one network where many devices are connected. So these devices are connected with an intranet network. This is called Idea. Now come to the main point, which is internet. We can also separate both the words, that is inter and net, where we can write full form of these. Inter means here actually what is different and different. Inter means different, and here net means it's a network, or we can say it's a network of networks. It's a network of networks. So what is internet actually? I am making again here diagram. If we are having number of PCs, like PC number 1, PC means personal computer, PC number 2, here PC number, I am making here PC number here 3. Now these PCs or these smartphones are connected with Idea network. These 3 systems are connected with Idea network, and just beside this there is another network which is Airtel network. This is Airtel network, and or many other devices are also connected with this Airtel network. Device number 1, device number 2, device number 3, and device number maybe 4. These 4 devices are connected with Airtel network. So this is first number intranet. This is actually first number intranet. This is second intranet. So how many intranets are there? One intranet and second intranet, or we can say that this is one number network, first network, and this is second network. So when we want to just transfer the files from this one number system to another number system within a network, then it will be very easy, because when we transfer the files, so the files firstly go to this particular network, and this network transfer, Idea network transfer the files again towards the receiver, that is second number PC. But if we want to send a file from this PC to another network, this PC, then it will not be easy to transfer files because these two systems are in different networks, so it will not be easy to transfer file from one network to another network. So if we use here internet system, internet means it's a connection. Internet here is a connection of different network of networks. If you talk about the definition for the internet, so internet means it's a connection of different networks, or it's a network of different networks. So internet is here network of different networks. So these are two different networks. First is this and second is this. First is Idea and second is Airtel. So if we make a one network and we combine both networks in a one network, when we combine these both networks in one network, means when we create a path between this Idea to this Airtel, so this is the first number network and this is the second number network. When we make a link between this Idea network to Airtel network, now it will be very easy to transfer the file from this PC to this PC. How? When this first number PC of Idea network will transfer the file, then the information or files will transfer from one PC to Idea network, then it will go from Idea to Airtel network, and then it will go to Airtel to this particular receiver network. So it will be very easy to transfer files like that. But in our whole of the world, there are hundreds and hundreds or thousands and thousands networks like Airtel, Idea, Jio, and different many other companies are there which are creating their other own networks, like Facebook network, like Idea network, like Google network. Many networks are there in whole of the world. So means we are having hundreds and hundreds network in whole of the world. But when we are creating such type of connection between two networks, so then it will be very easy to transfer files from one system to another system. It means that this is called the internet. So internet is a connection or collection of different networks where data can be transferred from one network to another network very easily. So this is called internet.